Linguine with pesto sauce. A side dish from Italy. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Place the basil, garlic, pine nuts, salt and olive oil in a blender or food processor and process until smooth. Remove to a bowl. If liked, the sauce may be frozen at this point. Step 2. Before the cheeses are added. Stir in the cheeses. Use all Parmesan if pecorino is not available. Taste for seasoning. Step 3. Cook the pasta in a large pan of rapidly boiling salted water until it is tender to the tooth. Just before draining, take about 4 tablespoons for the cooking water and stir into the pesto sauce. Step 4. Drain the pasta thoroughly and toss it together with the sauce. Serve immediately. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.